become a lot more sunnier towards this evening. Notice some sunshine, few clouds in Fairfield Glade right now. But as the sun came up, our atmosphere has become just a little bit more unstable, and I am watching the potential for some storms tonight. Temperatures right now, 87 in Knoxville, 90 in Maryville, 85 in Oneida, and Jamestown. Notice it's hot, it's humid, all of us in the tropical category on our sweatcast. So there's a lot of moisture out there, feeling warmer than our air temperatures, the upper 90s to around 100 degrees. We are watching the potential for some strong storms tonight. Notice all of us under a level 2 out of 5 risk for some severe weather. All modes of severe weather are possible. This evening, we stay quiet, but it's more towards 8 o'clock tonight. We're starting to have some storms fire up along the plateau, 9, 10 o'clock here in the valley locations, and then continuing into the night, we may still be dealing with some strong to even severe storms. And for your first part of your Tuesday, we may still be dealing with a brief shower or storm. So maybe a good idea to have the umbrella handy tomorrow morning out to the bus stop, but I'm not expecting strong, severe storms for your first part of your Tuesday. It's more tonight in this overnight threat we're watching out for. The possibility of some large hail developing, heavy rain, and some gusty winds that could cause some damage are the primary threats. The tornado threat is low, but it is not zero. So all modes of severe weather are possible. If you've been thinking, hey, we've gotten a lot of rain over the last couple of weeks, we've had multiple rounds of severe weather move through the area. Notice for the last 30 days, we are well above average for rainfall. So we're also watching the potential for some more localized flooding. So those flood-prone, low-lying areas, be mindful of those tomorrow morning on your commute. Maybe a good idea to give yourself some extra time. And with our ground so saturated, the severe risk of maybe trees being knocked over and the flooding risk has increased slightly. Notice, a good idea is to have our app. Search Knoxville Weather, and that will alert you should any watches or warnings be issued. The idea is tonight, especially if you're going to bed early tonight, make sure you have ways to receive those watches and warnings, and ones that can wake you up if you are planning on sleeping early tonight. We are going to be here all night long, keeping a very close eye on the radar. Tonight, it stays muggy, 72 overnight in Knoxville, 71 in Kingston, 67 in Wartburg, and 65 in Crossville. Tomorrow afternoon, much cooler than what we saw today, only warming up into the low 80s. Few showers and storms early on Tuesday, gradual clearing later in the morning, then a partly cloudy sky and more comfortable conditions for your Tuesday afternoon. So if you are trying to make it a pool day for your Tuesday, low 80s, but remember the sunblock. UV index still at a 10, most dealing with sunshine towards the afternoon. This is 3 o'clock, a lot of kids getting out of school. It'll be comfortable to play outside tomorrow. A lot of us in the comfortable category. Wednesday, we also are comfortable. Notice temperatures, again, staying in the upper 70s to low 80s. So this comfortable weather does stay with us Tuesday, Wednesday, and Thursday, generally in the comfortable, muggy category. Warming things back up towards the end of the weekend for this weekend, which is where we are supposed to be for August, but it will be a nice break. Notice Friday and into this weekend, we're talking about temperatures back up into the 90s. So it's important to stay weather aware this evening as we are forecasting strong to potentially severe storms again moving through the area. Things do turn more pleasant and drier Tuesday afternoon, and a lot of sunshine is in the forecast for the rest of the week before things do start to warm back up towards the end of the weekend for this weekend.
All right, Matt, thank you.